What's up guys, Andrew here. In this video I'm going to show you how to join a private server and steal Brainrot. Once you log into Roblox, you want to go ahead and find Steal Brainrot. Once you click on that, you will be able to click on the server section. It will cost you 79 Robux. Click on create server right here and you will be able to purchase this with Robux. If you don't have any Robux, you will go to the store and purchase some Robux so that you can create your own private server. Now, if you don't want to create your private server, there's a ton of different private servers available for you to join. You just need to scroll down and you will find those right here. So it basically showing you the ones that are available right here. Before we jump in guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. So you can simply go ahead and click on that and you will see that you have the option now to either join it directly from here, or it's going to open up the Roblox in your PC if you have it download, and you just need to go ahead and continue from there, right? Pretty much that, guys. Very easy and very simple. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.